Tatay is here. Unsay tawagan na tay? Unsa man na paggamit tay?
Kandaron na siya, kuman ang mga sagpot o sa daon sa gidri lunod. Tuyok na din. Sa lugar na sila.
This is chopper. Okay. And then, how are we going to use this one? This is very heavy.
Kan, daw gawin ito. Daw gawin siya.
So, what I thought, guys, is this is still a lawn mower. That's why I'm asking Tatay, huh? This is very heavy. How will you make this work? So actually here, they convert na tayo, no?
Convert.
Yeah, they convert, or Tatay convert it into a chopper. So that's why it's like this. Yeah, because, you know, guys, this is from the old washing machine of Ate Maricel and Brian. So the lawnmower is converted to a chopper. So that's what make Tatay's busy today. Kanya umana na tay. Ha? Is it done? Not yet.
Kini na lang ang kuan niya. Mudguard ni akong gi.
Asa may mudguard ano?
Kini. Mo ni magkuan. Hindi mo to asik ang sag yang inusap.
Do you think that blade is sharp enough? Huh? It's sharpened already. Tay. So that's Tatay Williams' project today. And then you also weld it. So, mo pa nang tangon tay.
May yang plangka.
So that's it for today. For Tatay's project. Bye guys.